Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. APLD stock sitting at 28.93, up 5.7% on the day. We have some increased rating numbers here. B. Riley Security maintains APLD with buy rating, and they raised the price target to 75. I think $100, 120, and then very long term, maybe the next 5 years, 200, because again, we are going to need the power. Humans consume a lot of food. AI is going to consume a lot of power. It's that simple. That's at least my theory, right? And you look at the chart, it's holding up at the bottom here inside this trading range. A lot of stocks are looking exactly with the same setup, stuck in a classic buy low, sell high pattern. So this is a buy down here. I think under 30, under the purple line here, under the 200 moving average. Just keep buying, keep accumulating for the big swing back to $40 to $50. And with that said, you would make about 35 to 65%. You can also do some flips, right? It's so volatile that you can do quick flips every day, and that'll add up to 30 to 60% as well. That's another way to go about it, right? It's up to you how you want to go about it, whether swing trading it and just holding the position for the big return, or just keep flipping every day and it'll add up, right? Slowly but surely it adds up over time. Because some people need that satisfaction of, hey, I just bought and made a quick 50 to $100 or whatever, right? When I buy 100 shares, some people might buy 500 shares. There's people in my Discord who do that. I'll alert 100 shares, they'll buy like 1,000 shares. And so when I make $50, they make like a ridiculous sum, right? They make 500 or 1,000. So this is the greatest buying opportunity you could ask for. You wanted this under 30. It is under 30. Classic buy low, sell high inside the range. Again, SoFi, right? Same exact pattern. It's stuck inside a box. SoundHound. There's many stocks with this same exact pattern. So take advantage of the opportunity being offered here. $75, I think it's a little conservative. I think this is going to go to 100 because of that CoreWeave and all the other partnerships that they have going for them, and the contracts as well, 10, 15-year contracts. I think you can't go wrong with this one. Even Lucid Capital here maintains APLD with a buy rating, raises price target. A lot of these price targets are raising it to the $70 to $80 range. So, but I've been calling for 100 since way before then. People are sleeping on this. I don't know why, but that's where the opportunity lies when everything is being slept on, in particular this sector, the AI infrastructure sector. So keep an eye on this one for the $40. $40, it should be the next move. And APLD here. Applied Digital's earnings call showcases aggressive AI build-out. Yeah, so this is the big one right here. Multi-campus hyperscaler deals. That's the big one right there. The company detailed 5 campus leases, including 3 signed in the past 4 months, that anchor its growth story with a single hyperscale customer. There is the concern, someone has said this before, I think it was Joy Shaw who said this, that the problem with running a business that has only one customer is that if that one customer leaves at some point, then yeah, it's kind of over for the company. So we definitely want to see some diversity there. But Delta Forge 1, Polaris Forge 3, and Delta Forge 2 together represent about $20 billion in long-term contracted revenue. So let's see what else. Yeah, really what matters are the contracts. The more contracts, the better. So there you go. How can you look at those numbers and not love this stock? Especially because it's been holding inside this range since October of 2025. So we're going on, what, almost a year. Now, that's insane. Almost a year of just trading in a range. Take advantage of it. Buy, hold. That is it for the video. I'll see you guys in the next one.